A deep fryer is a simple process. You immerse food in hot oil, finish it, it stays nice and crisp on the outside, and on the inside it gets beautifully moist and flavorful. It can cook anything from chicken to vegetables to tempuras. There's so many things you can do in a regular deep fryer. Deep fryer is globally accepted as the correct way to cook chicken, fish, beef, and alike. It gives a deep flavor. It protects the moisture inside the product, sealing the outside. It fries very quickly, producing meats and products at a very quick rate. And as far as the acceptance from 6 to 60, everybody loves fried products. A regular convection oven delivers heat to the product. It also adds velocity of air, which is different from the standard oven. It delivers that air across the product, which pushes the cold zone away and penetrates the product more quickly. It cooks at average 25 degrees lower, and it cooks about 25% faster. And the less time you can have food in a heat zone, the better quality the food will be. There are some great benefits with convection ovens. I can remember when I first started and there was only radiant ovens. Convection ovens entered the market and they were superb. They increased the speed of bake, they increased the quality of bake. It was a wonderful thing, and it also saved energy. So the convection oven delivers power, air, crispness, and a beautiful quality finish.